Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got my first laptop this November, so let's unbox with me. I wait so long for this, so I'm very excited for this laptop. Yeah. Actually, I already unboxed it and set up everything in the showroom and checked everything is alright or not. I told them to pack it again so I can unbox it again. Is it make any sense? I also got external mouse and keyboard from the showroom itself. How can I forget the bag for my lappy? I swear the quality is really good and I also like the size. Next day I'm trying to organize it according to my aesthetics. Actually I'm trying, I never do this before, so I'm very confused at that time. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then like it and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, okay, bye.
너를 만난 그 이후로 사소한 변